almost a 360-degree view of Santa Clarita Valley over into Placerita Canyon. Up here, if you remember, we went for a hike one day and accidentally came across a helicopter base. Well, that's the hill over there. So if you went over this range, you'd be looking into the San Fernando Valley. What did you say, Nancy Perry? I'm filming you now. I'm eating my words, viewers, because I thought we'd seen all the trails we were going to see around here. Then we came upon this beauty, and it really is. So the Southern California girl was right, even though she's English. Okay, we have some bear in the area. Okay, the getting up was the good bit. Now we have to get down again. And this could be an on your butt job. Let's see. 1, 2. So, bear pooology. This is fresh because it's still orange. You scared yet? Oh. Morning. Just the two of you? One more, please. Okay. A little bit of a burn here. But nature's an amazing thing. I'm sure that tree will recover. So we can take in almost the entire loop here. Started there, up the steep climb to the first ridge, along the ridges to the peak way over there, and then back round in kind of a horseshoe to finish for a nice Sunday morning hike.